this video we are going to find dy dx of cosec inverse of x. If we are given y to be equal to cosec inverse of x, it means cosec y will be equal to x. Now, and let's call this 1. Differentiating 1 implicitly, we are going to have minus cot y cosec y dy dx, which is equal to 1. This is what we are going to have. I will indulge you to watch my video on the differentiation of cosec y to understand this more better. So dy dx will be equal to 1 over minus cot y cosec y, and let's call this equation 2. Let's call that equation 2. Now, from our trigonometry identity, we have cot square y to be equal to cosec square y minus 1. Making cot y now the subject of the formula, you are going to have square root of cosec square y minus 1, and let's call this equation 3. Now let's substitute equation 3 into equation 2. That means dy dx will now be equal to 1 all over minus cosec y multiplying square root of cosec square y minus 1. Now let's look at our equation 1. We have cosec y to be equal to x. That means dy dx will be equal to 1 all over, let's put this minus up here. Then instead of having cosec y, we are going to have x multiplying square root of, instead of having cosec square x now y, now we are going to have x square minus 1, because if cosec y is equal to x, it means cosec square y will be equal to x square. Now this is what we have, and this happened to be our dy dx of cosec inverse of x. That means the cosec inverse of x over dx is equal to minus 1 all over x square root of x square minus 1. This is your answer. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.